Speed, distance, time, part 6, trick 11. If a train overtakes two small objects A and B moving with speed x km per hour and y km per hour in time t1 and t2 respectively, then length of the train is equal to absolute value of x minus y multiplied by t1 and t2 divided by t1 minus t2. Speed of the train is equal to speed of object A plus length of train by t1. Speed of train also can be calculated by speed of object B plus length of the train divided by t2. Example, if a train overtakes a car and a bike running in same direction and parallel, moving with speed of 54 km per hour and 36 km per hour in time 36 second and 18 second respectively, then find the length of the train. Solution: speed of a car, this is equal to 54 km per hour. This is equal to 54 multiplied by 5 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 15 meter per second. Speed of bike is equal to 36 km per hour. This is equal to 36 into 5 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 10 meter by second. Length of train, this is equal to x minus y multiplied by t1 and t2 divided by t1 minus t2, absolute value of the whole. This is equal to 15 minus 10 into 36 into 18 divided by 36 minus 18, absolute value. This is equal to 5 into 36 into 18 divided by 18, absolute value. This is equal to 5 into 36. This is equal to 180 meter. Speed of train, this is equal to speed of object A plus length of a train divided by t1. This is equal to 15 meter by second plus 180 meter by 36 second. This is equal to 15 plus 5 meter by second. This is equal to 20 meter by second. This is equal to 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. This is equal to 4 into 18 kilometer per hour, 72 kilometer per hour. Also, speed of a train can be calculated. Speed of object B plus length of a train divided by t2. This is equal to 10 meter by second plus 180 divided by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 10 meter by second plus 10 meter by second. This is equal to 20 meter by second. This is also equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Answer. Trick 12. Two trains A and B left places P and Q for Q and P respectively. After crossing each other, the time taken by them to complete their journey is T1 and T2 respectively. Find the ratio of their speed. Find the speed of train A if speed of B is given. Find the speed of train B if that of A is given. In the above situation, if T1 is equal to 2 hour 24 minutes and T2 1 hour 40 minutes, then speed of A divided by speed of B, this is equal to square root T2 by T1. This is equal to 100 meter divided by 144 meter square root. This is equal to 10 by 12 or 5 by 6. And speed of A is equal to speed of B into 5 by 6, and speed of B is equal to speed of A into 6 by 5. Answer.